This one I think is very interesting. And again, stop me. Because here's Bulgaria. This is, how were you affected by the crisis? And Bulgarians say that they've been affected more than anybody else in the region by the crisis. 80% of people say that the crisis has hit them badly or fairly badly. A great deal or a fair amount. Serbia close behind. And 91% at least said a little. And only 8 or 9% said not at all. I don't know if that's true. I'd be interested if that's true. Or if it's a Bulgarian habit of exaggerating how bad things are. A little bit. And I think the fact that Serbia is also in there, because I know people don't like to say it all the time, but Bulgarians and Serbians have a little bit of the same culture. This habit of exaggerating how bad things are is out there. Although I would have thought Macedonia would have been right at the same level, because there's also a little bit of the culture of everything is terrible. But maybe it is partly true. Maybe it's because you joined the European Union, and in 2007 everybody thought life was going to get better, and you were hit by the crisis right after joining the European Union, and then you said, this really still stinky. We wanted better, and therefore we're really angry. So it could be real anger and real disappointment. Also, you had a period of very rapid growth with the influx of money for property and banking, and then it kind of stopped. So all in all, it might not have been, it might be an accurate assessment of how people feel. Well, it is an accurate assessment of how people feel. Whether it's an accurate assessment of the reality, I don't know.